Imagine waking up to missed calls, new bookings, and messages from customers without running ads or answering the phone all night. That's exactly what AI is doing for smart auto repair shops right now. Most shop owners lose customers simply because they miss calls. People call once, don't get an answer, and move on to the next shop. AI fixes that instantly. With an AI powered receptionist, every call, text, and website message is answered 24/7. Customers can book appointments, ask for quotes, and even get follow ups automatically. But it goes deeper than that. AI tracks customer history and sends automated reminders for oil changes, brake checks, and inspections. That means repeat customers without you lifting a finger. While you're fixing cars, AI is fixing your calendar. Even better, AI works while you sleep. Late night searches turn into booked appointments by morning. No extra staff, no overtime, just consistent leads coming in. The truth is simple: customers don't wait anymore. If you're not instantly available, you're invisible. AI makes sure your shop never misses an opportunity. And once you install it, it works nonstop, bringing customers to your bays day and night.